Wow. Loud it, sir. Okay guys, up to now we see the working of this pump, and now this is the actual inner construction of this pump. So actually I break this all of this because it was tightly constructed by plastic sheets. So this is the top view, and this was the inlet. This was the inlet, and this was the impeller here. Okay, and this one is the output nozzle. You see in my video, and it produced so much of pressure. And while opening, actually the brushes or in this pump was wear, so by in the process of opening the magnet also be damaged. So this is the basic one. So let's open the impeller first. Shit, impeller also be breakdown. Here's the impeller, remove the armature, some bush and water inlet, see, and water outlet. And this one is the armature. Coil winding is thicker, I mean the copper wires used is thick. Okay. And this one is the yoke, and the magnet will completely break down, and I get only pieces of magnet only. So, and this one is the end point of the pump, and those are the two brushes here and here placed here, and these two are the terminals, input terminals. So basically this is the construction. So this is the inside of this pump. Not at all I think I expected so much of that, but it's simply constructed. In next video I modify this and I'm using another motor to drive this impeller because the magnetic circuit was damaged. That's why I'm using another motor, but I'm using same casing, and make the another video.